coyote. There's a coyote in our backyard, guys. So it's hiding in the tree. Nasaan siya? Ayan o, gumagalaw. Parang mayroon siyang tinitingnan dyan. Dito lang yan, guys, sa backyard namin. He's digging something. I don't know what. Backyard. Ito siya. Yung backyard namin, guys. Yan. He's digging something. I don't know what he's digging. Oh my God, what is he digging? Guys, ang coyote. Hindi ko talaga alam kung ano ginagawa ng coyote ito. Kanina, he was digging. Ngayon, hindi ko alam. These are like very, scary animals. So, he still keeps digging dyan. Ayan, coyotes for you. Oh, ano? He's trying to reach something. Baka may nagtago na, dyan. Maybe, a rabbit or something. Kasi parang siyang mayroon na smell eh. So I don't know what he's, he must be hungry. Yan, nagtatago na siya dyan. He must be really hungry. Baka may dyan, may ahas. Ano naman sana, Lord. Pag ganyan, guys, ang itsura ng coyote dito sa sa Las Vegas.